Welcome back to the series on project development with Node.js. In this video, we are going to continue our discussion on the Democratic Poll app. Till now, we have completed the user authentication and we are able to successfully set up a basic user. For the user part, we have to set up one very small thing, that is to add admin access for some users. We can just add a role to the corresponding user, I would say, database, and that should be done. But the main major chunk is to conduct an election. You can just assume that it's going to be a poll. In a poll, there will be a lot of options, right? And one of the options the user, any user can choose, right? So let's just see. So let's try to define some data models. If you go to models, let's try to make a new file. It's going to be poll.js. We'll get mongoose. Okay. And then we say poll schema is equals to new mongoose dot schema. Right. First of all, we need uh, timestamps. That's true. Okay. Now, for the poll, let's say we are going to have a description of the poll. That is going to be of type string and required true. Okay. There should be some description of the poll. And then there will be options on the poll. Right. There will be options on the poll. The options can be an array. In the array, there will be object of type string, right? So there will be multiple options of type string, right? And let's say we can set some status also, not mandatory, but like just of type string, that let's say whether the election is currently going on, like the poll is currently going on, or it is not in a working state, whatever it is, right? So some basic poll details we can keep, and then we can say const poll model is equals to new mongoose dot model poll schema, right? And we do module dot exports poll model. Okay, so the poll is ready. Now we are going to make one more model of responses. Response.js. Response will be for, like, we'll be having a user and a poll associated to it and what the user has chosen. So const mongoose, let's get mongoose again, is equals to require mongoose. Okay, then we say const poll schema, response schema is equals to new mongoose dot schema. Okay, it will be having a user associated, like which user has done a response. So like type will be mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id, and the reference will be user, and required will be true. Okay, then to which election or let's say to which poll it is associated to. So a poll, and let me copy all of these things. So for one poll, one user can make one, for the sake of simplicity, let's keep the fact that for one poll, one user can make only one entry. So this is going to be ref poll. Okay, and let's say what option they have chosen. So let's do one thing. So inside the poll we have a lot of options, right? Inside the poll we have an array. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to have selected option as a string, and this should be required to. Okay, let me just check quickly one thing. Okay, this should be good, right? And let's do one thing. Const response model is equals to new mongoose dot model response and response schema. We'll do module dot exports response model. Okay, this should be here. I guess these two work fine for us. Right, let's just quickly commit this. So in the upcoming set of videos, we are going to set up the service, because this is going to be a basic CRUD, and we are going to set up the service and the controller so that we can complete the API corresponding to this. That being said, let's just wrap it up here. We are going to meet very soon in the next video. Till then, take care, guys. Bye bye, and thank you.